Commission Blaster. Chris X Commission Blaster. Commission Blaster. Blast any link to 30x new traffic sources for instant commissions. What is Commission Blaster? Get free traffic and make affiliate commissions. 30x new secret social networks built in. Blast done-for-you affiliate links to 30x new social sites. 60x DFY ClickBank affiliates campaigns, preloaded. Get free traffic from 30x viral buyer traffic sources. Drive traffic to any website or affiliate link. Includes training, $10K of bonus tools and more. Commission Blaster is a cloud-based software which lets you blast any link to 30x free traffic sources with 60x done-for-you campaigns preloaded for ClickBank. First, we found 30x traffic sources that are being overlooked and integrated them into the app. Second, we found 60x ClickBank affiliate programs that are top sellers and integrated them into the app. Then we built done-for-you campaigns for each of these affiliate programs. So users can simply choose a niche, choose an affiliate link, edit their campaign, and blast. Then repeat for all 30x social networks and all 60x affiliate programs. Users can of course use their own links, tweaking the campaign templates to fit their own products. In a nutshell, the software allows your customers to launch 30x instant traffic getting campaigns for 60x hand-picked ClickBank affiliate programs and then scale beyond that. With Commission Blaster, your customers can get free traffic from 30x viral traffic sources with over 2 billion monthly visitors. Generate ClickBank affiliate commissions in just 4 clicks. Steal 60x done-for-you campaigns for 60x affiliate programs hand-picked by Chris, a platinum ClickBank vendor and affiliate. You can simply Step 1. Log into Commission Blaster with their browser. Step 2. Pick 8 of the most profitable niches. Click 1. Step 3. Pick 60 of the most profitable affiliate programs. Click 2. Step 4. Customize their traffic campaign. Click 3. Step 5. Share to 30x viral social networks with 2.5 billion visitors. Click 4. Everything needed to profit, affiliate program, campaign and traffic, is done for you. Commission Blaster upgrade offers, autos. Front end, Commission Blaster, $17.20, hourly demo sale. The core software that lets people launch 60x ClickBank affiliate campaigns that get traffic x30. UPSALL1, Unlimited Edition, $29. Upgrade to launch unlimited campaigns for unlimited traffic and affiliate commissions. UPSALL3 310th Edition, $39. Increase traffic and commissions with extra softwares that create memes, build e-com products and more. UPSALL3, Autopilot Edition, $39. Activate 60x affiliate programs per day and over 1,500 campaign instantly preloaded. UPSALL4, Done-for-You Edition, $197. Let my elite team set up a done-for-you site for you. All we need is your ClickBank ID. UPSALL5, Reseller Edition, $197. Earn 100% across the entire funnel selling this top-selling warrior offer as if it was your own. UPSALL6, Mega Bundle Edition, $97. Get access to an insane 37 software tools that cost over $300K to build. Commission Blaster Demo Video. Commission Blaster Demo from Chris on Vimeo. Commission Blaster, Chris X Commission Blaster,